No. Come on over here. Get out the window. You're used to that. Just
So how are you?
just a basic and what's
Basic one is a $14.
what's that?
Basic
Yeah,
one is
how
a
much for 5 or whatever you got?
5, we have a 35. 5 for 35.
Okay.
Yeah. National card.
Card? What do you think, Mike? I'm gonna wash the car. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm gonna wash the car.
Now you have a 4 more.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, he doesn't like you for the first little while. After that, he likes you. Hi, Mikey. That's a good deal. So we washed the car, Mike, and I had to use your credit card. Sorry, but Daddy's credit card's full. And I know you got lots of space on yours, so that's okay, Dad. I don't mind washing the car, helping you out. You good boy, eh, Mike?